everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 15th to the 19th of July 2024 on Monday. Mshengu asked his son to take one for the team. Mshengu drops a bomb on Ndumiso and Toba. The lawyers resigned their offer on Tuesday. Donga is hit by another massive financial blow that sent him entirely off the rails. Ngubeko is blamed for the chaos in two people's lives on Wednesday. The Shabalala's family reels from the shocking naked stand by Donga. Fakazide's grip on the man she loves begin to sleep on Thursday. Fakazide deals Mshengu a deadly blow. Donga decided to take legal advice and go to broke in his pursuit of justice on Friday. Mshengu shifts blame and rouses the angry workers against Fakazile. Donga's lawyers get the upper hand on the procurement lawyers. Things are looking optimistic for Donga. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.